Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have two NASCAR Authentics, one from the 2023 Wave 1 and one from the 2022 Wave 7. We have Brad Keselowski's Kohler Generations Patriotic car and Brad Keselowski's Castro Next Gen car. So on the back of this, of Brad Keselowski's Kohler's Next Gen Patriotic car, you can get many patriotic cars like Alex Bowman, Chase Elliott, Austin Dillon, Martin Truex Jr., and Brad Keselowski himself. Let's get Brad Keselowski out of his box first. This one first. So here we have the sticker, which has Kohler Generation number 6, his name, a red number 6, and a similar paint scheme to the side of his car. I'll just put that sticker here. Move the box out of the way. So here is Brad Keselowski's car. So Kohler Generators is like appliance, like toilets, bathtubs, and all that. And this was his main sponsor for the 2022 season before Brad had new sponsors. So obviously there's the white front with, I think, like a water pattern up here, or like names of all the veterans. I think you can barely tell because it's so small. The red number 6 with the blue and white outlines with some nice blue stars that fade away. Kohler Generators. On the side here, you got a light faded blue with some darkish navy blue. A red number 6, still some more names. On the sides here, you got the Stars and Stripes flag of the United States of America. Same for this other side here. So his regular paint scheme would just be the same colors, except this one's more patriotic, basically. And now we have Brad Keselowski's Castro car from Wave 7 of 2022. Here you can get, you can also get his chase piece of this car right here too. Ty Dillon's Black Rifle Coffee Company car, William Byron's Valvoline car, Kyle Busch's DeWalt car, and many more in this wave. Let's get Brad Keselowski's Castro car out now. So here we have this sticker which has Castro logo, Brad Keselowski, a silver number 6. With some red on it. And I'll just set that aside here. So here we have Brad Keselowski's Castro Next Gen car. So we have a silver number 6. And with some of the Castro colors like green, red, and white. Obviously the classic Castro numbers. I always find it funny that the 6 on top is a lot smaller than the ones on the side. The Castro logo. The same similar schemes of all the Roush Fenway cars, except they're all in different coded patterns of the sponsors. A classic, well, obviously a basic green color with some white on top of the line that goes around the car. Red. I'll give you a nice 360 view of this car. Oh, yeah, Kohler Generators on the side with Fastenal. Castro on top. The side of black. The top is black with some red on the bottom. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well guys, thank you for watching for this episode, and many more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.